Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to study physics effectively. Start by building a strong foundation in each chapter's core concepts. Don't just memorize, truly understand the underlying principles. Dedicate at least 1 hour daily to solving a variety of numerical problems. This consistent practice reinforces your understanding and improves problem-solving speed. Also, develop a habit of making short, clear notes for formulas and key definitions, which will be invaluable for quick reviews. When tackling physics problems, adopt a systematic approach. First, carefully read the problem statement and identify all the given values and what you need to find. Then, break the problem into smaller, more manageable parts. This makes complex questions less daunting. Don't hesitate to draw diagrams. They often clarify the situation. Regularly review solved examples from your textbook or class notes to understand various problem-solving techniques and their applications. Consistent revision is crucial for retaining physics concepts. Set aside dedicated time each week to revisit previously studied chapters. Solving previous year's question papers is an excellent way to familiarize yourself with exam patterns and time management. Try to complete these papers within the actual exam duration. After each practice session, analyze your performance to pinpoint areas where you need more work. Then dedicate extra practice to those specific topics. To sustain effective learning, it's important to maintain a balanced approach. Incorporate short, regular breaks into your study sessions to prevent burnout and improve focus. Don't hesitate to discuss challenging concepts with your classmates or teachers. Explaining or hearing different perspectives can often clarify doubts. Finally, prioritize your physical well-being. Getting sufficient sleep and eating nutritious meals are fundamental for maintaining energy levels and cognitive function throughout your studies.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.